Hey everybody, Frank and Teskey here at MarineMax Brick, New Jersey. I'm here to show you our 2025 Sea Ray 350 SLX outboard. Pete will give you a nice whole side shot there of the horizon full color. Interior matches with gray sea deck and the stone interior. Off of the back, we got our 350 horsepower Verados by Mercury, and I'll let Pete hop aboard. Back of the transom, probably one of the nicest features on the 350 is the pop-up rear-facing seat. So once you're anchored up, guests can enjoy a nice seat back here. Footrest tucks away, seat folds down, and locks in place. I'll let Pete lead the way as he makes his way through. So now you get a nice shot of that sea decking, gives it that faux teak look. On the starboard side, we do have ice tray, sink, refrigerator, and trash can. Port side, nice wraparound seating over here. Fantastic hidden feature on the boat. Access to your electronics for shore power. Can keep storage in there, flares, things like that. Continuing up the port side, little B berth or air conditioned berth if you need it. TV down below. At the helm, twin Simrad displays, Fusion stereo, halo switching, Sea Ray helm wheel, Lenco auto tabs. You have two VHFs on board, one up top and one in the berth, binnacles, and our joystick. Up in the bow, gave a little shot here. So underneath these forward bench style seats, you can have a filler cushion in place, or this table can be up nice and high for eating. Cushions go right over top for lounging. So again, this is the 2025 Sea Ray 350 SLX outboard located here at MarineMax Brick, New Jersey. I'm Frank and Teskey. See you out on the water.